Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Trade by Numbers. My name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living, and I'm here to help you be successful doing the same. So let's talk about a few things. We got our CPI numbers out today and they were quite high. 9.1% inflation on the year now. Pretty significant jump over last month. However, the markets held up pretty good. The VIX ended up closing in the red, about 1.75%. The Dow and the S&P, they were down about 0.5%. Not bad, especially considering those numbers. And you've got the NASDAQ that was just barely in the red at all today. 0.015, so just barely red. I was very happy with how the market held up given those numbers. Now, we also have the GDP numbers coming out tomorrow. That's going to tell us definitively whether we're officially in a recession, not in a recession. So those numbers there, market could react. However, I was very happy with how the market did hold up today given the inflation numbers. So I did a video yesterday morning talking about crypto. I said that I was going to be buying some crypto that I thought was a great opportunity. Gave you the levels I was buying Cardano at, Ethereum at, and I bought some XLM. Now, a little bit later on yesterday afternoon, Algorand actually dropped below. I said I've been watching Algorand. Anytime Algorand drops below 30, I look at that as a buying opportunity. And yesterday afternoon, it dropped down. Picked up some Algorand at 29 cents. Very happy with that play as well. And then this morning, I was watching crypto because I figured right as the CPI numbers was coming out, we'd get some inflection in the markets. I know we have over the last few months, so I was watching it. Cardano actually dipped down to about 40 cents just a minute or two after the CPI report came out. And I was able to pick some up at 41 cents. So I picked up yesterday at 43 cents, picked up another position today at 41. So now I've got a double position in Cardano at 42 cents. So really happy there. I wasn't able to get in on Ethereum. Ethereum dropped down right around the same time, but I didn't get both buys in. But that's okay. I still got a position from yesterday. I'm happy with where I'm in at. Bought in yesterday at $1,060. Really happy with that. So now it's time to just ride it out and see what happens once we get through these numbers tomorrow. And I don't really think it matters a whole lot either way. I will say I think the market will do better if it comes out that we are in a recession, because that's going to kind of put some of those fears behind us that we've got a looming recession. If everybody knows, hey, we're in a recession, we've been in a recession for the last 6 months, then we can start looking at coming out the other side. I almost think that's going to be better for the market than if the numbers come out tomorrow and it says we're not in a recession. Then people are going to be like, oh, well, the recession's still coming, and you're going to have all that uncertainty, and the fact of it is the markets just don't like uncertainty. So that's how I'm going to be playing it. I'm going to be watching. Once we get our numbers tomorrow, I think we're going to settle in just a little bit, and definitely we're going to be watching some plays and making some money. I hope you're just following along. I hope you got in on crypto. I said yesterday that I felt crypto right now was a little safer, even though the volatility's still there. I kind of have a better feeling of where the floor is, at least the short-term floor in crypto is, versus kind of the stock market right now. So that's why I've been playing it. I told you I was just going to take a pause on trading in the stock market, just let these numbers come out, kind of see where we was at. I did buy Charge Point yesterday morning. I said I was looking at it, bought some Charge Point, got a good price on it. I cannot remember right off the top of my head where I got in exactly, but I'll definitely update that in the video. I remember, actually, I'll just look it up real quick. Won't be that difficult. 1181. So 1181, can't complain about that. I thought the numbers was good for that. So at 1181, I think ChargePoint's got a little place to move. And tomorrow, starting tomorrow, I'm probably going to be looking at some stocks. I'll be back with my picks. If I don't feel comfortable in the stock market, we'll be picking with crypto. But we're going to keep making money no matter what happens. I'm going to help you through it. You know, again, this is how I make my living, so I have to go through it and work the process every day anyhow. I want to be out there. I want to be helping you so that you can be working yourself through the process, learning, coming out the other side stronger, and with a fatter bank account on top of it all. So, till the next video, remember, be blessed, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.